Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the tutorial how to do auto connect for your audio on a Zoom application by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open your Zoom application, and whenever you open the Zoom application, sometimes you will be in a home section or in the meeting section, but then this is not the place that you need to work to. You just need to jump into the more part. In this more part, you just need to take a look on the settings part, and after that you just need to jump into the meetings part. In these meetings, you just need to make sure that you are take a look on the audio part here, and to get the auto connect for your audio in every meeting, you just need to go click this. The first list appears here, and after that you just need to go change from off into Wi-Fi or cellular data, so the audio will be automatically connected into the meeting, and you can just start saying without have to activate the microphone or the audio. So that's the way how to do auto connect audio on Zoom meeting or Zoom application. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.